Why is business law an important component to the study of business? Hello, my name is Amanda Wyndham, and I am going to discuss the importance of law and why it's a major component to the study of business. There are so many important matters to learn when dealing with business law. And I strongly believe if it wasn't an important component to the study of business, many businesses would fail due to the fact that not all individuals that are trying to own a business have the knowledge on what it takes to own a business. There are rules and regulations with the government. There are courts and jurisdictions. There's judicial alternative and e-dispute resolutions. There's constitutional law for business and e-commerce. Personal property and availment. You have to understand what's yours and what's not. You have to have titles, legal documents stating what's yours and what's not. If there wasn't any titles to a vehicle, how would a car dealership be able to sell a car? There's so many pros and cons about this subject that it's very important to understand. I also endured during this class that there are a lot of consequences as well when running a business. Not only as it's good, but there's also bad times too. Now, you have to learn how to form contracts just to sell, buy, trade any product. You have to learn how to make business deals ethically, not unethically, but ethically. And if you don't know that it's going to be hard for you to run that business, because a lot of your customers aren't going to want to come back. But if you are honest and you sell your product legally and like it's supposed to, then you will be able to prosper with your business. But you have to have a sense of direction when owning a business. You have to follow rules and regulations through the government. You have to make sure that your codes and the real property is understood. You have to have intentional torts or negligence. You can't be negligent to your clients or customers. They're your number one priority. They're the ones that are making your business run. So you really want to be extra nice to them, and you want to treat them like they are number one, because they are. So with that being said, business law is very important when running a business, and I strongly believe that it's important when going to school. Other than that, where will we end up in 2 to 3 years without knowing about business law? I want to own a salon personally, and I'm absolutely for sure now that I've taken this class that I can handle it. I know I would have to hire an attorney. I know that my business will succeed because I'm going to follow rules and regulations through the government. I'm going to have people coming in. I have to have a license to do what I do, and I'll further know any court jurisdictions or litigations that I may have to go through, if ever, and hopefully not. But if I do, I would know the steps that I would have to take to get there. And I'm sure it would be a great outcome, because legally I'll know how to do that. I hope that this information was helpful when it comes to business law being a major component, very important component to the study of business. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.